Hello and welcome to Ajayastro Mini Guru, your trusted source for the latest updates and advanced analysis on commodities. In today's video, we'll dive into the current trends in the maize market, where prices have shown remarkable stability amid high demand and limited supply. Over the past few days, spot prices for good quality maize have been consistently trading between 2,300 Indian rupees and 2,450 Indian rupees per quintal across key production regions, including Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, and Karnataka. Logistics have significantly improved this year, as evidenced by the increase in rake loading compared to last year, reflecting strong demand. In Bihar, maize prices have stabilized, with supply matching current demand. Buyers, however, remain active, while stockists show reluctance to sell at prevailing rates. At Gulab Bagh Mandi, top-grade maize is trading at 2,700 Indian rupees per quintal, while average quality maize is priced at 2,660 Indian rupees. Notably, several major poultry companies in Haryana and Punjab, previously sourcing from Madhya Pradesh, have shifted back to Bihar due to aflatoxin concerns. These buyers are now purchasing Bihar maize at prices as high as 2,900 Indian rupees per quintal. Bihar's maize stock is depleting rapidly, with only an estimated 5 lakh tons remaining, held by farmers, traders, and manufacturers. Daily arrivals at Gulab Bagh Mandi have dropped to just 300 to 400 tons, and only a limited number of rakes are being transported from Karnataka, Maharashtra, and Madhya Pradesh. Despite this, consumers continue to prefer the premium quality of Bihar maize, keeping demand robust. Meanwhile, traders from Bihar are actively stocking up on Kharif maize from Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra. The brisk pace of consumption mirrors the peak buying activity seen in April to May in Bihar. With a potential maize shortage looming in the eastern zone, traders anticipate even greater returns. If the government increases the price of maize-based ethanol, demand could rise further, adding to the upward momentum. Currently, ethanol producers in Karnataka are purchasing maize at rates between 23,800 Indian rupees and 24,200 Indian rupees per metric ton, while starch companies are paying 23,750 Indian rupees to 25,000 Indian rupees per metric ton. Poultry feed companies in Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, and Tamil Nadu are also making substantial purchases, with prices ranging between 25,500 Indian rupees and 27,000 Indian rupees per metric ton. Warehouse buyers have raised prices to 2,330 Indian rupees to 2,350 per quintal due to limited supply, while Mumbai exporters are offering rates between 2,360 Indian rupees and 2,400 Indian rupees per quintal. Strong purchasing activity across all sectors has kept prices steady, despite expectations of arrival pressures. On the international front, supply constraints persist, with no sellers in Myanmar even at $295 per ton. A delay in 2 anticipated vessels could drive domestic buyers, especially poultry companies, to cover their import needs locally, further supporting domestic prices. Thank you for tuning in to Ajayastro Mini Guru. Stay connected for more insightful updates and advanced analysis on commodities. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next update.